A big thank you to Jackery for sponsoring today's video. We will be using their Jackery 1000 V2.
Hello everyone, welcome to Hannah's Happy Home. In today's video, we are going to be continuing to work on the project here at our barn. If you missed the previous video about this project, I'll give you a brief summary of what we're working on. So we have been renovating this barn that we use for egg packaging. Before it was only half the size and it just needed an upgrade, and so we tore down the wall that was in the middle to make the space larger so we can add a larger egg packaging machine. Then Jalen has been working on the plumbing and hooking up water lines. He cut the concrete for a drain that's going to run along the whole back side of the barn. We've been making progress, but it's kind of been slow going just because each step can take a while. We have to get certain things done before we can schedule the next thing. So right now we just scheduled the spray foam, which is going to be getting done next Friday. Once the spray foam is done, then we can have someone come and epoxy the floors, and after that we can start putting up the walls and the lighting and get the space completely finished. We've also been trying to work on the outside of this barn as well. Jalen has been working around the back, digging for the sewer, adding a hot water heater. It's a small barn, but there's a lot of steps for this renovation. In today's video, we're going to mainly be focusing on the exterior area though. We have been working on the front of this barn. I know I said in the previous video that we were going to be completely transforming the front of this barn. The plan was to add like stained wood to the front and then two big like glass doors to the middle, or some type of glass and black metal steel door. But after pricing that out, we decided to save the money and just leave it as is because it's fine, it works. It is just a barn at the end of the day. There's other areas where we'd like to use that money. So we did swap these sliding doors because this one that we never used on this side wasn't warped at all, but the other one that we are constantly using to go in and out of the barn was very warped. And so we put that one over here on this side and we attached it to the barn because we're not going to be using this door here on the left-hand side anymore. This will just be fixed to the barn for looks. And then it's closed off on the inside. So now the door doesn't look warped anymore now that it is screwed to the barn. And now we have the nice straight door over here at the main entrance, and we're going to clean up that door, clean up the front of this barn here today. I have some new pots and flowers that I got at Lowe's that I'm going to be planting here in front of the barn. We're also going to tackle the huge project of painting this 40-foot Connex container. So we're gonna get the dust cleaned off of this, get the sprayer set up here. And like I said, Jackery is sponsoring today's video, so a huge thank you to them. We have been loving our Jackery power bank. That thing is so awesome. And we're gonna be testing it out today as we paint this Connex container. So we will only be using the Jackery to power the paint sprayer, and we'll kind of show you how the battery lasts and everything. We're also going to take the Jackery on our little camping trip to the mountains this week, so stay tuned for that. But let's get right into painting this 40-foot Connex container and just continuing to work on this little barn renovation.
We charged the Jackery for this project from 0 to 100% only using the 2 solar panels, and when you're charging it with the solar panels, it takes right around 3 hours. It says 3.8, but it only took 3 hours. This is just so awesome. If you were in a scenario where you didn't have electricity, this Jackery with the solar panels would just be amazing. And there is also a Jackery app. It has smart app control, so you can see how it's charging, you can monitor the remaining battery, the input-output power, charging progress in real time. The Jackery 1000 V2 comes with a 5-year warranty, so you never have to stress about after-sales issues, and you can enjoy reliable power for years. Make sure that if you purchase it on Amazon, you go over to Jackery's official website and unlock that extra 2-year warranty. Jalen sprayed this entire Connex container with this big paint sprayer, only using power from the Jackery, and it only took the Jackery from 100% to 88%, so it hardly used anything. We've been using the Jackery 1000 V2 quite a bit over the last month, and we've just been super impressed. It is really awesome to have for any scenario. Also really love the color of this one. The link will be down below, and stay tuned. We are going to take it on our little camping trip here in a couple minutes. So now I'm shopping for some flowers for the front of this barn. I figured that would be a great way to add a pop of color to this space. I always like to plant some type of flower in front of the barn, but this year I wanted to add even more. So we had that DIY planter here previously, but it was falling apart, so I purchased these two matching planters and then picked out some of these beautiful pink flowers and some taller greenery and then some trailing greenery as well.
I recently got some new pots and some new flowers. That is also going to help to improve the look of the front of this barn. I got these two, the larger one and then also the smaller one, because we've got plenty of space there to add two planters. These right here I thought were so unique. I've never seen anything like this before. These are called a kangaroo paw. I had these pink flowers on my back porch last year and they're just so vibrant and pretty, so I wanted to add them to this space as well. I've also used this greenery before. It's an awesome trailing greenery. This does get little white flowers as well. And then I also got this grass, which should get pretty tall, just another tall item to have in the back of this pot. I might have gotten too much for just these two pots, but it's fine. Whatever's left over, I can add to the pots on my back porch. Before we go and plant all of this, I have to show you my pomegranate bush because it is looking amazing this year. It is covered in blooms and tiny pomegranates.
I love how these flowers look in front of the barn, and then also the Connex container is looking amazing now that it's all painted to match the barn, and this is also color matched to our house color. I'll show a few clips here of what else Jalen has been working on. He installed a new window on the side of this barn, and then he also was installing all of the water lines inside and just trying to get everything ready for that spray foam. We also have the epoxy floors scheduled, and once the epoxy floors are done, then he can install the drains.
He probably heard you. So we got the truck loaded up and we are heading up to the mountains to go camping. The boys are so excited. We wanted to do this last spring, but with everything that happened, obviously we couldn't go camping. And so we wanted to be sure that we did it this spring. Levi has been talking about it for a long time. We're hoping to find a camping spot by the creek, and I did bring my coffee machine. So once we get camp set up, we're gonna make some iced lattes.
It was so nice to have this Jackery solar generator while camping. We used it for so many different things. We wanted to have string lights over our camping area, and these were so nice after dark because we actually had some nice cozy lighting around the campsite. Usually, you know, everything is just pitch black when you're camping except for your fire and flashlights. but we actually had some nice ambiance lighting, and it was like a night light while we were sleeping. So this string of lights was plugged into the Jackery for the entire camping trip. And if you're planning to do quite a few adventures and camping trips this summer, this generator would be so amazing. It's built for family adventures like this. It's got 1500 watt output that can run so many different things at once. It's shockproof and fire resistant. The Jackery 1000 V2 is a power hub that keeps our family connected at home and outdoors, and also helps us to still have amazing coffee while deep in the mountain.
You're making coffee? I never drank coffee before.
It was kind of extra, but just fun to bring along with us and have some amazing espresso while camping. And the Jackery ran this espresso machine no problem. I made a maple latte for myself and a white chocolate for Jalen. We sipped on these while we headed down to the creek to watch the boys play. Like I said, I love the color of this Jackery, and I like the grippy handle that lays flat, and the fact that it's lightweight, and it's also a great size that doesn't take up a ton of space. We had all the camping gear in the back of the truck, and this just fit in there perfectly. The top of this is a great extra surface. I did put my laptop here later. We had so much plugged into this at one point. The lights, the espresso machine, my laptop, my phone. After having it on this adventure, I can't imagine not having it on a camping trip, especially with us filming. My camera, the phone, the drone, we had batteries to charge, and we can just charge everything with this. And if it would have been a couple day camping trip, we could have just hooked up the solar panels and had unlimited power. Also have to say, this thing is so quiet. Like, we barely heard anything from it. It ran the lights all night, and it made no noise while we were sleeping. These gorgeous flowers were growing everywhere, and they smelled amazing. So of course I had to pick a bouquet for the table. I got my phone and the laptop plugged into the Jackery to charge, and this does have multiple ports. There's 2 USB-Cs, 1 USB-A, and then you've got these 3 plugins as well. So for our camping supper, the boys requested hot dogs and baked beans, and then we had fruit for dessert, and later also some marshmallows around the fire, which was Levi's request. He calls them smarshmallows. The hot dogs we grilled over the fire, and then the baked beans, I cooked them on the electric cooktop that was plugged into the Jackery. It only took a few minutes for the beans to heat up, and as you can see, there was quite a few things plugged in here, including the cooktop, and we were only at 1200 watts. The string lights were so cozy, and then we realized that this Jackery also has a flashlight on the front. It's got a lower setting and then a brighter setting, which was also nice for some extra light. So with this Jackery during our camping trip, we ran these lights the entire time. We used the cooktop, we charged a laptop, 2 phones, we made 4 different coffees with the espresso machine, and that used up the entire battery. But like I said, we could have just spread out the solar panels, charged it back up, and continued using it. It's a beautiful morning. We woke up at 6 a.m. and now it's 7 a.m. We've pretty much got everything packed up. We had breakfast, and we're getting ready to head out. We have to get back home to take care of the chickens. We got lots of work to do, but this was really fun just to stop life and come up here and camp for the night with the boys. We made some special memories and it was just really fun. This Jackery 1000 B2 will be linked down below. We have nothing but good things to say about this. We've been so impressed and we're so excited to now have this here at our home for emergencies, for camping trips, for just any type of scenario. So we're back home. I've got a bunch of stuff to unpack here, a cooler, a bag, going to get all that put away and then go work on some outdoor projects this afternoon. But I hope that you enjoyed this video, just getting to see the progress that we're making on that project outside. Stay tuned, I will show it completely finished in an upcoming video, probably here in the next month or so. These types of things just take time because now we're waiting on the spray foam and then we have to wait on the epoxy floors. It's just a process, but we are making progress. I hope that you enjoyed today's bonus video. Just a reminder, if you're new here, I would love to have you subscribe. I am trying to work towards getting to 400,000 subscribers this year, so that would be amazing if you click the subscribe button. Also trying to get to 100,000 followers over on Instagram, so if you have Instagram, you can go and follow me over there. And I hope you each have a wonderful, blessed week. Bye.